Yo, what's good, Sneak family? It's your boy Reggiejaysneakz coming at you guys today with the new video. Today's video is going to be a Nike outlet vlog. This video will be a chill video. You guys just be seeing what I pick up with the music in the background. So I need you guys just go ahead and get in the comments. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. What shoe was your favorite? But Sneak family, with all this being said, I'm going to go ahead and get you guys straight up to the video. So in the meantime, between time, you guys is going to get straight into it. that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole video, Sneak family. Let me know what was your favorite cop down in the comments down below. I know we found a lot of good stuff here and there. We did find some stuff that's been sitting around, some stuff that's recently released. So you guys let me know which one was your favorite, what you would cop, what you would have passed on, all that stuff down in the comments down below. But Sneak family, I did not forget about you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. So I see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here.